Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some Nigerian snacks called buns. So this buns is very crunchy. Like you can't get anything more crunchier than this buns. Look at that. So I'll be using some coconut flakes. So this is like actually buns with coconut flakes. So it looks so crunchy, so delicious, and believe me, you have to try these buns out. So as you can see, there are still some of the coconut flakes that you can actually pick out and eat. So guys, without wasting much of your time, we'll go ahead and start this video. And please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click the subscription button and turn the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, let's get started. Here I have 3.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm adding a 1/4 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of baking powder. Now adding some nutmeg and a salt. So we'll have to add some salt to taste. So go ahead and mix all the dry ingredients together and set that aside. So here I have 2 large eggs. So add some melted butter to that and milk. So go ahead and whisk this up together. So once they are properly mixed up, so go ahead and return them. So just make a little bit of a hole in the middle, and we'll pour the wet ingredient and the dry ingredient together and mix them up. So I'll go ahead and use my spatula just to mix that up properly. But you're free to use your hand if you want, or you can as well use a mixer. So it doesn't really matter as long as everything is well combined. That's the most important part. So once everything is mixed properly, then I have to add 1/2 cup of coconut flakes. You can add more if you want, or you can add less if you want, depending on the quantity of the buns you're making. So I'll go ahead and mix that up until everything is well incorporated together. And while it's cooking, while I'm mixing this up, I have my oil already been preheated on the stove. So, and this is not like very fresh oil. I used this oil before to make my puff. So I've used it once, so it's still very good. So I'll go ahead and mold all of that in just like that, and I'll keep stirring them back and forth until everything is properly cooked. You don't want to have this on a high heat surface, like in a high heat. No, because if you put it in a high heat, it's gonna get burned pretty fast at the surface, while the inside is pretty much raw, like very fresh. So you want to put your heat on the medium to low. So let it cook gradually from outside to inside. So as you can see, look at that nice color. So I'll go ahead and get all of them out, and I'll proceed with the same method until I have all my buns fried completely. So this is the last batch that I'm frying right now, and it's all done. So I'm just getting it out. As you can see, the oil is pretty much dead right now. So this is it. The buns is ready, and look at that. Look at that. looks so crunchy, like very crunchy, but so soft inside as well. So I'll go ahead and transfer them up to my glass bowl, because when I brought them out, I put them in a paper towel so they can absorb excess oil that came out of that. So look at that. It's not really focusing very well, but you can still look at that coconut flakes. So the camera wasn't focusing good enough. So as you can see, it's better right now. So as you can see, all the crunchy around the surface of these buns. So if you haven't tried like making your buns this way, just go ahead and give it a try. So I did not mix these buns up with any water, so I used milk instead of adding any kind of water to that. I used milk. So go ahead and give these buns a try. Believe me, you will love these buns. It came out so good, tastes so delicious, very crunchy, and guys, my kids loved these buns. They were like eating these buns like crazy. I had to like stop them from eating it because they almost finished it the very first day that I made it. I had to stop them from eating it. So guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video, and I have another video coming up soon. You don't want to miss that. Yes, you don't want to miss this video. So guys, I'll see you guys on my next video, and thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed and stay safe out there. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.